Let's eat. Cheers. Not bad. Look at that beans right there. They actually got it kind of right. And some fries. Cheers. Wash it down. Delicious. Oh, wow. Looks like the taco they gave me is all cracked. Of course it is. Oh, it would not be cracked, right? Oh, God. Oh, shoot. There's tomatoes on it. I didn't tell the lady no tomatoes. God dang it. That's my fault. I should have told her no tomatoes on the taco. It's alright, I'll take it off. Easy fix. I'm gonna try to eat this taco without completely breaking it because it's already broken as it is. So I'm gonna try my very best to keep this intact. If it falls apart on me, I'm sorry. Oh, you stupid thing. Alright. Let's try to do this. Crunchy taco. It's broken. Cheers. It's really good. Even though I don't like lettuce,